Hello in my factory. This is a 80mm shaft, and this is a smashed bearing, and this piece of the shaft was here, but after the bearing damage, the shaft is cut off like as it turns on lathe. By bearing crash, the housing covers is damaged. It should be repaired. Bearing too have a cracks, and it's a metal scrap. Also, I found a half of bearing ball. Here is some of them. One more half of ball. What I will do, by angle grinder I will cut off over here, and then by lathe I will turn out the center. Then I will make a new axle and take it, assemble it, well, thanks for watching, good luck and have a nice day.